Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you this great little vacuum that has been sent to me kindly by Yonder. We are going to start, of course, like usual with the unboxing. I'm going to show you everything you receive in the box, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick little demo of how awesome this vacuum is. In the box, you're going to be receiving a telescoping tube, crevice tool, combination nozzle, floor head, two filters, but you actually have three filters because one is already in the vacuum, cleaning brush, a charger, detachable battery, vacuum body, wall brackets, and the fixings, and of course the handy dandy user manual. So here is everything that you get inside the box all laid out. It did come out of the box with a little bit of juice in the battery, but the user manual does say for the first charge, let it fully charge up for 4 to 6 hours. All three of those cells will be filled up and you should be good to go. What I love about the E1 is that it is cordless and very lightweight, making it effortless to carry, lift, and operate. It has a telescopic tube, so it can be adjusted to fit the user's height. This can also come in handy when trying to reach those hard to reach places. The floor brush can rotate 180 degrees left and right and backward 90 degrees, making it a breeze to navigate around corners, furniture, and underneath obstacles. Now we're going to test it out. And to test it out, we're going to use uncooked rice. The reason I like using uncooked rice is because the vacuum is either going to do one of two things. It's going to suck it up and everything's going to be fine, or it's just going to spray it around. going one pass, and it absolutely did a great job sucking up all of the rice. You'll see in the following clips, but by far one of my favorite things about the E1 is the LED lights on the front. They illuminate all the hidden dust, hair, and debris, so it helps you get a more efficient clean. I also wanted to mention that the E1 has a replaceable battery and an LED display to show you all the options you have to use. The E1 runs on a 2000 milliamp 22.2 volt Li-ion battery and runs for 35 minutes on hard floors and 18 minutes for carpet deep cleaning. It has a large 500 milliliter canister capacity that can easily be emptied with the click of one button, and it has washable cyclone and woven filters. This is a perfect example of how easy and lightweight this vacuum is to use. I'm clearly filming here with one hand and vacuuming my steps with the other. Right here is when those LED lights on the front really shine. See how it illuminates all of that stuff? That's it for today's video. I want to thank Yonder for sending me over the E1. I really like it and I think you will too. Please see the link in my description to get your own and use my exclusive discount code to save some cash. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a new video. Take care.